Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert sweeps coins to cash on LuckyLand. And if you have over $200 in sweeps coins, and maybe you were thinking you wanted to play a high volatility game, but before you risk it, you want to see someone else risk their sweeps coins on a high volatility game, well then you're in the right place. So let's turn those sweeps coins into spending money. I'm going to show you how to convert sweeps coins to cash on LuckyLand Slots. This is a really popular game among many other letter writing people. When I say letter writing people, those are those of us who write letters to these casinos requesting sweeps coins. So you get $5 per letter. So that's why I have 323.82 in sweeps coins, 319 unplayed. Right, because I have redeemed a little bit already. So right here, the $4.72, that's real cash. So what I have to play with is actually 319.10. So 319.10 divided by 0.20. If you click on here, and you hit the plus, then it goes up to 50 cents per spin, but I want to do the lowest. And the lowest is 20 cents per spin. So I have 1,595 spins to do. Do 100 spins on auto. All right, it's paying off. Yay! I'm going to stop the recording in a moment here, just because otherwise this video would be very long, and then I'll come back when I just have a few spins left and we'll see what I end up with. I'm back because I hit a feature, so I just wanted to show you how this works. So I have 6 free games. I'm instructed to click here. There we go. Huge win. Ooh, 488. 1136 altogether. Woohoo! You see, when you hit these features, it shows that it's 3,125 ways to win. So when you have these free games, every time you spin, you just win more because there are 3,125 ways to win, as opposed to, I think, 243 or something like that. So let's see how it goes for me. Okay, $8.66. Woo! Okay, I'm back because I hit this feature. I have actually hit quite a few features, and I thought I would just see what happens here. So I get 6 free games. See how it goes. $6.08. Woohoo! I'm just going to show you what I have left to play with. So I still have $180 in sweeps coins, in unplayed sweeps coins to play with, and I've converted to $136.22 so far in real cash. So I still have several hundred spins to do, so I'll be back. So I hit this feature, and I wanted to show you. I have hit this one a few times, and I just keep winning the mini, which is only $4. But maybe this time I'll have better luck, and so let's see how it goes. And I have to get 3 piggies that are the same. See, if I get 3 grand that show up, then I win $400. That would be really nice. Again with the mini. So I won $4 again. But I have won $4 quite a few times. I was really hoping it was going to be better this time. I'm getting spoiled. Anyway, I still have, okay, so let's take a look at what I have. I have, this is real cash right here, $208.52. I still have 115 in unplayed sweeps coins to convert, so I have several hundred spins to do, so I'll be back. So I hit this feature again, and let's hope that I win more than $4 this time. Oh, okay, I won $10. Yay. Better than 4. I have 90 cents in sweeps coins left to play. So that means I have 4 more spins to do. See if anything exciting happens with these last 4 spins. Okay, so let's take a look. at the final total. So I had started with 319 in unplayed sweeps coins, and I converted it to 321.18 in real cash. So that's over 100% conversion. Woohoo! Very excited about that. So there you go. That's how you convert sweeps coins to cash on LuckyLand. Now I can understand why my fellow letter writing people enjoy Oink Oink Oink. And just make sure that if you do play this game, you do have at least $200 in sweeps coins, because it is high volatility. So if it wasn't for all those features, it would be a horrible game. So you have to have at least 200. I would recommend at least $200 in sweeps coins in order to play it, so that you can hit those features. And I hit those features quite a few times. I recorded some of them, but I hit them way more than that. So that's why I had 100% conversion rate. So highly recommend it. And if you want to be a fellow letter writer, then check my description. You will see a link to the paid per letter program in there by Send It Academy. They will show you everything you need to know about writing letters to casinos to collect these sweeps coins, and then be able to play these super fun games and turn them into real cash. It's so fun. This is the most fun side hustle ever. Who knew that you could do this? It's crazy, but it works and it's fun and so easy. I hope to see you in the Paid Per Letter Facebook group, because maybe you signed up and you started doing this. I hope you do. I think that would be the best decision you ever made. Just saying.